FORNO Appliances introduces the 30-inch induction range, model 982-30. Infuses a personal flair into your kitchen's decor. The white finish maintains a modern look effortlessly. The ceramic glass cooking surface provides even heating and smooth cooking mobility. The 4 induction elements range from 1,500 to 3,000 watts of cooking power. Antique brass knobs with bezel rings will maintain its luster for years to come. Durable professional door handle provides a stylish and customizable option. The interior oven is of speckled blue enamel and comes with 2 oven racks. The oven capacity is of 5 cubic feet. A high-efficiency top broiler that can output 2,000 watts. A hidden bake element hides below the oven floor, providing 1,500 watts of power. High-performance convection fan for even heating baking. 2 bright halogen lights. Friction resistance hinges guarantee effortless operation, smooth opening and closing. Securely hold the door in place at any desired position. Offers an extra touch of elegance with a supplementary set of stainless steel handles, allowing you to transform the appearance of both your unit and kitchen. The espresso line comes in 3 colors: black, silver, or white. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every FORNO appliance. FORNO, lowering the cost of living.